From city signals to worldwide wonders, this ride covers more than distance. NH44 runs from Srinagar to Kanyakumari, the nation's longest highway at nearly 4,000 kilometers. On a related note, a rider's best safety feature is a calm mind. Panic turns small problems into big ones. Meanwhile, consider this. Spinning wheels behave like tiny gyroscopes, lending bicycles and motorcycles their stability at speed. Hyderabad wears many faces across its neighborhoods, each with its own pace and personality. Now for something from further afield, fuel stored with a near full tank avoids condensation dripping inside overnight. This stretch shows how road width quietly changes everyone's behavior. Thanks for riding along. Comment which fact surprised you most.